Hi, my name is Evana, and I'm going to teach you how to make... Have you guys ever watched the movie It? When my uncle showed me the trailer, I did not want to watch it. Georgie boat. I kind of messed up, because I was trying to make it like this, like that much I messed up, and that looks like a boat. So we're going to make that. Get your A4 printer paper. Fold this part to this part to make it even. Now it's gonna look like this. You fold it again, but to the side. So then it looks like this. You open it up. So it's like a little curve line. You tap the two top corners and you point it toward the middle, leaving a little bit of space left. Oh, I messed up. It's okay. Alright. So now it's supposed to look like this. You get the first flap. This flap, so it's supposed to do that. You fold it on there. It's meant to do this. Do the same on the other side. Do that. Fold that. Oh. Alright, then you do the side. You open it up. And then you fold the corners towards the inside to make this. To make that. Do the same on the other side. You do that to the other corner, then you fold it back up. Okay. Do the same on the other side. Open it up. Okay. Now this is just a sheet of paper that my mom and my dad, like a lot of papers that they got, since my brother, my sister, and we all go to school. Like that. Then you pull it from here, and then you fold it like this. You fold on those sides to make it even. Okay. You fold the first flap towards the center like this. Do the same on the other side. Flip it over and then do it. Now we're almost close to making our It boat. Then you pull the sides. You pull it like this. You fold the sides. Now, you guys may have made a mistake, because I certainly did. You guys fold it. Fold it to make that side. Same on the other. You fold it till it is straight. And then if you have a black marker or something, like something to write with that's black, you write SS Georgie. And there you have your boat. Now you may have made a mistake, since I certainly made mistakes. Then you have your boat. Open it. And you have your boat. It took me a while to make this one, but this one turned out better than this one. So, yeah. Then on my next episode, we're going to do the boat. It's going to take like 2 steps, so yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. And see you next time. Bye.